Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about DRIPX protocol. We're gonna give some update about this protocol. It's on day 28, like you see here, guys. It's been almost a month now. And let's see the chart, how it looks like. We can see here this price has dipped a lot. You can see a red candle here because a lot of people selling their tokens and they just want to make profit, and that's normal. Like always said, take some profit on your way because you don't want to miss anything. At least take your initial money that you put. Let's say like you put $100 and your token worth now $300, so at least take $100 out and keep the $200, which is not your money, it's your benefit. If it goes down or goes up, it's good for you. If it goes down, you have nothing to lose because you took $100 initial money already. So we see here it's trading sideways. The price now it's 0.05 0.0000137.9. I'm still bullish on this project because I believe this project will do good in a long run. This is not a financial advice. This is my opinion, and this video is for entertainment and education only. So do your own research before you participate in this protocol. Let's go here and see what's going on here with DRIPX. You have to know, guys, the main goal of this protocol is to mine some miners and then you stake them to get a payout. The payouts, you're gonna get payout BNB, not DRIPX. What happened here, you choose the duration you want your miner to go for. It's going from 8 days all the way to 280 days. And then you choose the power. The power means how much you're willing to pay for your money, the BNB. Look at here, if you move these and these, you can see changes on these numbers here. So if you choose to go for 128 days with the power of 53, that means you have to spend 0.54 BNB, which is $305, and this is the value of your miner at the end. Excuse me, guys. And this is the ROI you're gonna get, 144. So what happened when you mine, I have some miners here. I have one for 28 days, one for 90 days, and one for 70 days, because the ones I have for 8 days, 15 days, and on the closest miner, I claimed them already. So when you get you get your miner and you claim it, what happened, you need to go here and stake it. So I have some tokens here. If you do the max, you can see here you're gonna get shares. This shares is only for 28, so the more duration you go, the more shares you get. And then when you stake them, you're gonna be getting BNB payout each 8 days, 28 days, 90 days, 369 days, and 8 days. I claimed my 28 days 2 days ago, and this is my global shares. I got diluted because I used to have here 0.25 and now it's 0.03. That's why I don't have a lot of money here for the payout. So more stake you do, more shares you get, that's more money you get at the payout. And remember guys, you're gonna get paid by BNB, not DRIPX. And what they expect you to do, when you get the payout, you go back, you get some miners, and then when it's due and you claim them, you stake and you get more payout. But the guys that are selling, they're not doing this. They just, after they get in the claim from their mine, they're just dropping the price, selling and taking some profit because they do some like 2 or 3x. So they don't wanna keep participating, or some of them, they go back and do some miners, but they took some benefit. They took some benefit from the money, which is good. I always suggest to take some money. That's why you see the price is dropping. And the changes the dev did, you see here the daily cap. Here it was 300 billion. So they reduced it to 100, and again they reduced it to 40, and now it's 20, because they wanna minimize that sell pressure. And you can, and if, like, let's say here, like the day 280, you see here the cap for the day is 20 billion. Now is reaching 19. So when it reached, it reached in 1999, it's 20 billion already. So if you try to participate in this day, you cannot, because the cap is reached already. So you have to choose another day. So like this, they wanna minimize the pressure sell, and they change the buy and burn too. Like this, they minimize the sell, and like this, the price of the token will go up little by little. And you can see here, guys, about the vault. As we know, guys, for the buy and burn was buy and burn V2 and buy and burn V1. So they took buy and burn V1 and they migrate to pulse chain and create these pools. And what's gonna do with these pools, they're gonna take this total pending reward. That's what they did last week, and they're gonna be doing it every week. So now the pending reward is $49,000. That's a lot, guys. So what they're gonna do with this money, they're gonna put it back on the protocol. What happened, they're gonna go and buy miners. They call it dead miners. What happened with these dead miners, they're never gonna claim them. They're gonna boost the price for the token, and they're gonna give us for the payout more money, which is great. And that's what I like about this protocol, what I like about the team of this protocol, because they're honest. They're putting back money to the protocol because they want this protocol to go more further. They don't just want this protocol to be here for a month, 2 months, 3 months. They want it to be here for years to come. And like I said, guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you my opinion about this protocol, and you have to do your own research before participating in this protocol. So don't hesitate, guys, to like and subscribe. Like this, you can get the latest updates about all the tokens I'm sharing with you here on my channel, and all the protocols that I'm sharing with you too. So like and subscribe. Like this, you're not gonna miss any update in the future. Thank you, guys.